kami masaya sa pace ng laro, pati na ang pag-distribute ng bola, kaya yan ang kanilang babantayan sa succeeding quarters. Para naman sa Rain or Shine, Coach Cloy Garcia commended the team's defensive switches, nagiging Barangay Ginebra 3-point shooting to just 20%. Kailangan lang daw nila ito i-extend sa 4-point line knowing na may init si Grigsby from that area. Pagdating naman sa Quezza, they would like to find Aaron Moore at the post so they can create dominoes. And lastly, limit also the free throws they give away without taking out their shooters.
Maraming salamat, Miss Eileen. At the other side, it is 66-54. Kalating kauna naman ang abante ng Rain or Shine. Grigsby. Kontra dito kay Jonard. Latabi ka na naman. Lopam in the open court. Binigay kay Fuller. Grigsby on the chase down. Pero pati yung braso, ginabot.